Intro booming, want some more? Bow, bling, bow, bow, bling, bow, bling, burr, burr, bow, 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 bling, bow, bling, burr, burr. You see this corn running cows.
What's up, man? Just got done with the workout. So I get a lot of questions. They ask, how do you work out? You know, while you're on the road. It's simple. You just do it. You know what I mean? You know, if somebody's got to ask how they got to do something, you know, if you want to do something bad enough, you'll figure out how to do it. So the people that are asking, maybe they want to get into it. Maybe they want to get into it, or maybe they just, they just not ready. You know, it takes somebody. It takes something. You got to get pushed. You know, that's with anything. I'm not even just talking about the workout, but I always get a lot of questions asked. You know, how do you make time to work out? You know, sometimes when you're rolling, man, I get it. You know, you just you can be overwhelmed. You know, when you get done driving, you just don't want to drive. You don't want to do anything. I feel the same way. But there's days I miss workouts. But at some point I get it in. You know, if I miss 1 day or 2 days, believe me, my ass is back in the game. You know, the next day. I don't stay away from the weight that long. It's medicine for me, so I gotta have my medicine. But yeah. Sometimes if I can't make it to the gym, like today I could have went to the gym, but I just didn't feel like driving. Thank God I got dumbbells and I got a bench. You know what I mean? I can do my shit right outside the motherfucking truck. But you don't necessarily have to have a gym. Like I'm about to show you in this video, you don't need a motherfucking gym. All you need is some dumbbells, you need a bench, and you can get to fucking work. You know what I mean? You can get to work. I get good pumps, with that too, with just being out the gym. But don't get me wrong, I like being in the gym too, because there's some exercises that I just I don't have the equipment for, or I don't want to. I just feel more like, for example, like legs. I would definitely like to be in the gym, because they got the barbell rack. You get accustomed, you get accustomed to shit, and you're set. You're like, all right, this is where I want to be. I want to be in the gym with a squat rack, leg press machine, shit like that. You just get accustomed. But if you can't make it, if I can't make it to the gym, I just make I make a way. I make the way to do legs, or I make a way to do shoulders. I make something happen is what I'm trying to say. It's just it's a lifestyle, man. I've been doing this shit since for a minute. I've been doing this probably almost 30 years now. 25 years now, 30 years. So I'm dedicated. Fuck all that bullshit. I'm dedicated. I am dedicated. Like the gym, the workout, the lifestyle is part of my life. And that's what I do. So it doesn't matter if I'm fucking driving a truck. Doesn't matter if I'm doing stocks. Doesn't matter if I was a stripper. I used to be a stripper at one point. I used to be a Chippendale. Doesn't matter if I was dancing, doing male review shows for women. Believe me, my ass is. I'm working out before the show, when I go on stage and perform for these girls, and after the show, I'm working out. You know what I mean? Not necessarily. It's always before the show, just to get the pump, so I look good on the stage. But it doesn't matter what I'm doing, man. Trucking, like I said, Chippendale, male dancer, whatever you want to call it. Doing bodyguard work, or doing security work. At the nightclubs, I'm always working out. It doesn't fucking matter what I'm doing. But for the guys and girls out there that want to work out, they say it's 90 days, or 90 or 60 days. You do something for 60 days straight, 90 days straight, it becomes a habit. Like it's embedded in you. It's a habit. You have to do it. At some point, you're gonna be consistent. It's not gonna be like, oh my God, you're gonna go wrong. There's gonna be some days where you just like, fuck, I don't want to work out. You know what I mean? That's fine, but you're gonna get an itch to get back in there. You know what I mean? But they say 60 days to 90 days. Once you break that barrier straight every day, after that point, it becomes a habit. So if you can last 90 to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, you'll be good after that. And then, like I said, it'll be instinct. Your ass will be instinctually going to work out. You will feel that urge to fucking work out, just like we feel the urge to fuck. You know what I mean? So, anyways, yeah, check out the video, man. I hope you guys like the video. It's just a quick workout, man. I did what did I do? I did arms today. So, workout, man. Check it out, man. Check it out. Check me out. Check me out.
No, I'll never forget that.